Hello everybody, this is Learnitisu and today I am going to show you how to reverse a video without any apps, just online. So let's get started. Alright, so everyone, you should make a video like this. I made a shitty video like this with me in it, just throwing a stick in my front yard. Sorry, I couldn't find any Thor hammer because I knew it was fake, so I took a stick. Sorry about that. Very nice. And then you have to go to this website. I'll put this link in the description, and just then open Google Chrome, paste this link, and go to this link. Now you will see easygif.com, and you will see a bunch of options in the header, and then you have to go to this video to GIF option, right there, video to GIF option, and then you see a multiple different options. Under that you have to click this reverse thing, and then after reverse thing you can see that there's a choose file option. Just click that choose file option and then choose your specific video, like in my situation, this is the new video. Here is the video of mine. So then open it and then click upload video. Internet connection, it's very slow. Okay, finally. Now in this here you have to make sure that you have selected reverse. If not, select it now and then go down. If you want to reverse sound of this video, check that reverse sound box and then click reverse video right here, the blue button with the exclamation mark. I don't know why they put an exclamation mark, but however, click that reverse video button and then you have the reverse video. I'm not gonna play it and make sure. I'm just gonna save it. As you can see, I'm downloading it, and then that's over. And then I'm going to go to my downloads, and you'll see a new my reversed video here. Oh, very cool. That's a very cool video. When playing this, I feel like I'm Magneto now, or like Thor, but I couldn't find any hammer. So anyway, that's my video, and thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe. Thank you everybody.